side from rishpush.com. Welcome to our channel. To all lovely doctors, I wish you a very happy Doctor's Day. And really thanks to my mentor, Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji, for giving me so much knowledge in chronic diseases to treat the patients with the highly chronic diseases and guiding me at every single point. So I really feel proud to be a doctor because I'm treating a number of hundreds of chronic patients having diseases which is actually not easily be curable, and all is possible due to the guidance of world-renowned physician Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji. So I really thanks to Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji for building a good confidence and building very good knowledge into me for treating chronic patients with the wide knowledge of herbs. Thank you so much, sir, and I wish a healthy life to all the patients and also to all the persons who is listening this video, who is watching this video. Thank you so much. Take care, stay healthy, stay tuned.
Good day all. Myself Dr. Shubhra from NDK Nirogam Private Limited. Welcome to our channel Rishtpur. Wishing all my doctor friends a very happy Doctor's Day. I believe that medicines can cure diseases, but doctors can cure patients. So a doctor's life is never so easy. In spite of the fact that this field requires tough commitment, still I chose to be a doctor because it keeps us close to the human lives and also helps me to live for the cause of humanity. I believe that this is the best way of serving the society. Hence, I'm proud to be a doctor. Thank you, Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji, for providing me this platform so I could serve the society by working in NDK Nirogam Private Limited. Wishing you all a very happy and healthy life ahead. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर संजय फ्रॉम rishpush.com की ओर से आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं हमारे इस चैनल पर। और आज वर्ल्ड डॉक्टर डे पर मैं अपने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूं। अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा मैं पिछले 8 सालों से टीम रिष्टपुश के साथ जो है बहुत से पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट कर रहा हूं और बहुत से पेशेंट्स ने जो है रियल आयुर्वेदा को यूज़ कर बहुत फ़ायदा लिया। इसके अलावा जो शोधन चिकित्सा है जिसके कि हमारे केंद्र जो है वो हर बड़े शहर में हैं, तो वहाँ पर भी जो लोग आयुर्वेदा पर विश्वास रखते हैं, जो आयुर्वेदा को प्यार करते हैं, वहाँ पर रहकर अपना शोधन कर्म जरूर करवाते हैं और उन्हें भी बहुत फ़ायदा मिलता है। और पेशेंट जब ठीक हो जाता है उससे ज़्यादा खुशी जो है वो डॉक्टर को होती है कि उसने जो पढ़ाई जो मेहनत की वो आज किसी के स्वास्थ्य को ठीक करने के काम आ रही है। तो आप लोग सभी लोगों से मैं यही कहूँगा, अच्छी डाइट लें, प्राणायाम करें, आयुर्वेदा को अपने जीवन में अपनाएं, क्योंकि आयुर्वेदा आज की नहीं हज़ारों साल पुरानी चिकित्सा शैली है जिसका प्रयोग हमारे जो पूर्वज थे वो करते थे। क्योंकि उस समय जो एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन थी वो नहीं होती थी, लेकिन इसी आयुर्वेदा से जो है हर रोग ठीक होता था। तो आज भी हो सकता है, ज़रूरत है आयुर्वेदा पे विश्वास करने की और उसे अपनाने की। तो इसी उम्मीद से आप सभी से विदा लेता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello friends, myself Dr. Nikhat, and according to me a doctor is not an individual but it's a community, and it's a very noble profession, and I am feeling proud of being a doctor. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं डॉक्टर नामिका शर्मा NDK निरोगम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी हमारे वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड आयुर्वेदिक हीलर डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा जी का, जिन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया है कि आज वर्ल्ड्स डॉक्टर डे के मौके पे मैं आप सभी के साथ जुड़ सकूं। तो आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी का स्वास्थ्य स्वस्थ होगा। साथ ही साथ कोविड के दौरान ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि आप अपना और अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखें, प्रॉपर सैनिटाइज़र यूज़ करें, प्रॉपर मास्क यूज़ करें। उसके साथ साथ अपने जीवन में योग को ऐड करें, ताकि आपका जो मानसिक स्वास्थ्य है और शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य है जो कि अच्छा हो सके, ताकि बीमारियों से आप दूर रह सके। तो योग को जोड़ें अपने साथ, ताकि आप स्वस्थ जीवन बिता सकें। साथ ही साथ अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को अच्छा करें, उसमें डाइट अच्छी करें, जिसकी वजह से आपको जीवन में कोई भी दिक्कत ना हो और प्रॉपर लाइफस्टाइल आप अपनी जी सकें। तो आशा करती हूँ आप सभी ठीक होंगे, अपने परिवार के साथ होंगे, स्वस्थ रहें, खुश रहें। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, wishing happy Doctor's Day to all the beautiful souls out there who are working tirelessly in serving the mankind, and especially to our guiding force, Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji, the world-renowned Ayurveda physician, who has taught me and my entire team to extend our hands and help the needy people who are suffering with chronic disease and are actually unable to go to the hospitals and get their treatment done. So I know it's a very tough time, and we doctors dedicate mostly our entire lives to serve the humanity and the mankind. And on the day we enter this noble profession, we take a swear to put our patients first, and our lives comes at later stage, our family comes at later stage. So being in this profession, I know it's tough for many of us, but the way we are fighting for the nation, for the world, for the entire pandemic which is going on, it is tough at times, but we have to fight it together. And I know all the doctors who are working out there are giving their best to make the patients recover as soon as possible. This is indeed a tough commitment to make and keep up with, but the recovery of patients, when they get all right, when they come out of the disease, and when they actually recover with their reports, with their health, and the smile they bring up with, or the smile they have on their face, like all the efforts which we have put in treating the patient, making them all right, giving them the guidance, and when they come up with a smile, it gives a very positivity, a different kind of vibes to all of us and our staff. And we feel actually very much blessed after seeing this recovery, that the God has given us the responsibility of taking care of the patients and the humankind. So as a doctor, I would again like to wish happy Doctor's Day to everyone out there. You keep working hard, and to all the patients out there, I would like to wish a speedy recovery to all of you. Please keep following the guidelines which are given by us, the diet, the pranayama, and the intake of medicines which is necessary. So keep healthy, stay fit, stay fine. Dr. Ankita signing off. We'll meet you soon. Have a beautiful day ahead.
Good day. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, this year is once again dedicated to all those doctors and healthcare professionals who are serving in these trying time by risking their lives either in primary as well as secondary care step-up or in dedicated COVID care facilities. Once again, wishing for all the doctors to stay safe and healthy. On this occasion, I wish all my colleagues best wishes on their occasion of Doctor's Day, and hope they are remain healthy and safe to serve the humanity in the coming times for the far greater challenges which may lie ahead. After this, I would like to dedicate this year to my mentor, Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji, who is world-renowned Ayurveda healer, and under his guidance, we are doctors doing well by the guidance of such a great Ayurveda Acharya. He has spread immense knowledge of herbs around the globe by serving people, mankind, by helping them to solve their issues regarding health. like kidney, liver, etc. In this way, in this era of COVID also, he has provided 24 into 7 service from ND Care Nirogam Private Limited to everyone to take help regarding their health issues. So in the end, I would like to state that in such a great person which has the knowledge of Ayurveda, we are getting immense knowledge from him to serve the people in natural way. So in the end, I wish you all happy and a healthy life.